At New Jersey American Water, drinking water quality is our top priority. That's why we're committed to replacing all lead and galvanized service lines by 2031. To do this, we need your help identifying the material of your service line. It may be made of brass, copper, lead, galvanized steel, or PVC plastic. First, locate your service line. It will be near your main water shutoff valve, typically located in your basement, garage, or crawl space. Next, there are two simple tests you can do yourself to identify the material. When you conduct these tests, be sure to look at the section of pipe between the shutoff valve and the wall. For the first test, you will need a magnet, like one from your refrigerator. Put the magnet on the pipe between the wall and valve. If it sticks, your pipe is galvanized steel. A magnet will not stick to lead, copper, brass, or PVC. If the magnet doesn't stick, then you can move on to the second test. Grab a coin or a key and carefully scratch the pipe between the wall and the valve. Lead will scratch easily, revealing shiny silver color beneath. If your pipe reveals a copper or golden color when scratched, it is likely made of copper or brass. If the pipe is plastic, it will most likely be black, white, or blue. Be sure the pipe is not painted when identifying the pipe type. Once you have identified the type of pipe, snap a picture of it. If you perform the scratch test, please include the mark in your photo. Then, visit newjerseyamwater.com/leadfacts. Search your address on the map and submit your photo. Thank you for your help in identifying or confirming the material of your service line. Learn more about our program online